my jeans, stats in my pocket. You already know I keep the motherfucking broccoli. From Richmond to Stockton, I stay with my bitch. Man, I will never let you seconds try to stop it. Y'all haters keep me the topic of discussion. That's why I don't be trusting. And these bitches try to drive me crazy. But that ain't me, bitch, you ain't my lady. Bitch, you pay me, give me cheap. I be outside every motherfucking week. Getting paid, or getting laid. My bad bitch, you pay me every day. Shorty wanna ride with me, take my hand, let's go. You already know I'm the man with the plan. Gotta get that dough, gotta get that money, so put it in my hand. We could get grands, we could get grants, we could bring it back, we could bring it back, that's a fact, I'm a Mac. Best believe I'ma have a bad bitch on her knees. But if she wanna fuck with me, she gotta pay a fee, cause this dick ain't for free. Yes, I'm a young king, treat me with royalty, treat me with loyalty. Bitch fucking spoil me, you know I got that good weed, you know that weed that I got is not green. Stay rolling up purple leaves, set my eyes low like Japanese. Bitch, I'm a freak, and I be in the streets and in the streets.